everybody, and welcome to Cuba Day 4. Today is a much better day than yesterday. As you can see, it's super sunny. I decided to consume my food in the sun because I haven't been able to get enough of it since I've been here. No more pig. This is supposed to be barbecue chicken. Okay. So I'm really hoping it tastes delicious. Say hi. Hi. I'm in the back of a taxi. So basically, in Jamaican terms, I kind of like a robot taxi when the taxi stop and pick up people. So yeah, there's like other people. So yeah, I'm in the back of a robot taxi right now, heading to Havana City to shoot some stuff for the On My Mind series. So come along for the ride. What do you know about Jamaica? And this is what they had to say. ¿Sabes de Jamaica?
I like your Spanish.
I know, it's terrible, don't laugh. Hola! Again, I changed outfit because I'm in the middle of shooting para season 3. And we are at the fortress of Havana, and apparently this is where a lot of fight happened, right?
What the heck?
A lot of fight happened right here. War?
What?
I don't know. I just want to show my outfit. It's a beautiful outfit for today, considering that the weather was so shitty the past couple days since I've been here. Cuba, I think I'm loving today. Yay! A lot of people died here protecting Cuba, right?
Yeah.
From the Americans?
No, the purpose of this fortress was protect Cuba for pirates attacks because Cuba was a rich gold country in that centuries.
So Cuba was a rich gold country in that century. Look at that. Nothing like this in my whole entire existence. Look. Like if you fall right here, you're literally dead. Can we go down there? Like this is the craziest thing I've ever seen in my whole entire life. I see pirates! They're coming! Go the cannon!
A tu prima. Una entrevista sobre Jamaica, ¿no?
This shit is so good. I'm shooting the outro for one of the episodes that's gonna be on this week's topic, and this guy comes to me, come here, and he says, give me that Jamaican flag there, and I was like, no, because since I've been here, I had to protect the flag. And then I gave him one of my cards, and I said, you know, you could check out the episode, and he's like, I've seen this before. So this is a guy that has seen the series before all the way in Cuba. What did you see?
Loving it. Loving it.
Ah, that's me!
Oh,
Can you
yeah.
see it?
Oh, yeah.
Can you see it? Show him again.
Yeah.
How insane is that, people?
We all love exploring.
I'm so extra.
So,
That's insane! The episode that he has on his phone is probably the most controversial and the most talked about episode that I have right now. Are Jamaican men the best men to be in a relationship with? And my answer still stands to this day, hell no! Alright, bye! I've been shooting all day because of the terrible weather we've been having, and I've been up since 8 o'clock shooting, and it's like almost 12 a.m. right now, and I finally got a chance to sit down and try to eat something. You know, when you're at work, and I was just working all day that I forgot to eat, and now that everything is done, I had the biggest headache ever, and I can't find the right food that I want. Like, you don't understand, but I'm chicken to that mental instead of chicken ready. It's not what I'm used to. I swear, you guys don't even know how much I would pay for some jerk chicken and some curry goat right now. I promise you. I got a headache, but I'm drinking beer. I don't care. It's kind of like what you're supposed to do in Cuba. It's like beer and anything. Oh my God, Lord of mercy, I feel that more. I feel like I want ball. The chicken name look like it cooked you. I feel like I want ball, but now it's not a lie. I can smell the rawness from the chicken. Basically survived the food. I had to dunk it with ketchup, or I don't even know if that was ketchup, but people made it hungry, somebody did have to eat it. And then a while ago now, I'm trying to take a taxi for go back over the Airbnb, and the taxi man, before that taxi man, I said, oh, 10 pesos. I said, papi, 5. No 10, 5. The man I try kill me and I try rob me. I said, no. So I jump in one of that taxi and I said, papi, this is the address, and it's $5. And he says 5, and I say, yeah. Right now, I am so tired. I've been on my feet the entire day. I'm tired. You ever tired? I'm just tired. Like, I can't even explain how tired I'm tired. If there's a word if there's a word that means more tired than tired, I'm tired. I just can't wait to get back to the Airbnb, do some footage check, and just relax for a little bit. Because like I said, what I do? I'm tired. Okay, so Here's the challenging part. Let's see if we could do this tonight. No bullshit. I think this is blue. No, this is not blue. This is red. No, this is green. I think this is green.